Welcome to TDY Hero, where we provide furnished homes for the military traveler. To list your property, you'll go to our website and on the top right-hand corner, select List Your Property for free, or at the bottom right, List Your Property Now. Afterwards, you'll establish an account by putting your email and password and answer the required fields. From there, you'll go to the bottom page, Proceed to list your property. At this time, there is no cost to list your first property. You can also go to the cart in the bottom right-hand corner to verify. Afterwards, you will go to Place Order, and then you will go to List Free Property, where you can go ahead and put in your information. You have to use the same email address that you provided earlier. For a property description, you can go to ChatGPT to help provide a great SEO optimized title that will help users find your property. Very easy to use, and it's easy to copy and paste with very minimal details. From there, you will select a base that is close to your property, as well as enter your property address, and then additional details below with your property type, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Afterwards, we will review your listing and approve it within 24 hours. You can verify at My Account, and you can also add a property verification or add additional properties for the price at $39. Thank you for using TDY Hero, and we look forward to placing one of our clients with you.